Good morning. In this video, we are going to discuss calculation of new ratio in case of admission of a partner. Definitely, when a new partner is admitted, then there is a change in new ratio. Old partner has to sacrifice some ratio for new partner. So all of us, we will calculate new ratio. In this video, I just divide the ratios in 4 sections. There can be 4 situations. The first one is when only ratio of new partner is given in question. It means, for example, we have ABC are 3 partners. Their ratio is 3:2:1. B is admitted for 1/6 share and no other information is given in question. Then what we will do? Total profit is equal to 1. When no other information is given, then keep it in mind. All of us take total profit is equal to 1. B's share is 1/6. So remaining profit is equal to 1 minus 1/6, that is equal to 5/6. This remaining profit should be divided in by old partners in their ratio. That means A's new share will be this remaining profit, that means 5/6 multiply 3/6. A will get this profit from this profit, the share of 3/6. Similarly, B's share is equal to 5/6 multiply 2/6. C's share is equal to 5/6 multiply 1/6. And D's share we have 1/6. Now we just take the LCM of all these 4 ratios. 15/36, 10/36, 5/36 and 1/6. LCM will be 36. So it will be 15, 10, 5, 6. So it is the new ratio. It is our new ratio. Next, second case. When new partner takes from old partner in equal ratio. If it is said in question that new partner takes from old partner in equal ratio, then how we can calculate? A is to B is equal 7:5. C share is 1/6 and he acquires this 1/6 equally from A and B. It's not necessary that always equally, it can be any ratio. So C takes from A 1/6 multiply 1/2 equally now, that means half taken from A and half taken from B. So C takes from A 1/6 half of 1/6 and C takes from B half of 1/6, that means 1/12. So what C takes from A and B, that should be deducted from A and B. So A's new share will be 7/12 minus 1/12, which is given to C. Similarly, B's new share is equal to 5/12 minus 1/12, which is given to C. So their remaining profit will be 6/12 and 4/12. C's share is given in question, that is 1/6. So we just take LCM. 6/12, 4/12, 1/6. LCM will be 12. 6:4:2. So ratio will be 3:2:1. It is our new ratio. Third case we have, if new partner takes from old partner in particular ratio, then what does it means in particular ratio or in particular part? For example, A, B and C are partners for 3:3:2. D is admitted for 4/7 share. B takes 2/7 from A, 1/7 from B and 1/7 from C. So we just add all these. 2/7 plus 1/7, 3/7 plus 1/7, 4/7. So it's clearly this part is given in question. C takes from 2/7 from A, 1/7 from B, 1/7 from C. So this part is given in question in this part. So what we will do? A's new share will be similarly, simply we just deducted this part of C from A, B and C's share. So A's new share will be 3/8 minus A takes from D 2/7. So less from A, 3/8 minus 2/7. Just take LCM. 8 and 7 LCM will be 56. Next 21 minus 16, 5/56. B's new share will be 3 by 8 minus 1 by 7. LCM will be 56. 8 7s are 56. 7 3s are 21. 7 8s are 56. 21 minus 8, that is 13 by 56. C's share will be 2 by 8 minus 1 by 7, which is taken from C. So it should be deducted. LCM will be 56. Remaining will be 6 by 56. And D's share is equal to 4 by 7. Just take the LCM and calculate new ratio. That will be 5:13:6:32. Next, fourth case. If new partner takes from old partner in particular ratio. Here I say in equal ratio, and I already said that it can be any ratio. For example, ratio is AB and C are partner for 3:2:2. D is admitted for 1/5 share, which he acquired from A, B and C in 2:2:1. So D takes from A 2 by 5 of 1 by 5. D takes from B 2 by 5 of 1 by 5. And D takes from C 1 by 5 of 1 by 5. That is this one. So now we have that part which is already given. We just calculate that part here. Now simply less. So A's new share will be 3 by 7 minus the share which is given to A. 3 by 7 minus 2 by 25. Just take LCM and solution will be 61 upon 175. B's new share will be 2 by 7 minus 2 by 25. LCM then 36 by 175. C's new share will be 2 by 7 minus 1 by 25. Here is 43 by 175. And D's share we have 1 by 5. After then just take LCM. LCM will be 175. And ratio comes 61:36:43:35. So it is our new ratio. Thank you.